Hello everyone. So, like always, a quick disclaimer before we start. Nothing you see here is a financial advice. I'm just showing you how I trade the markets in real time. You are responsible for your own decisions. Please let me know if the sound is good. And yeah. And by the way, Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope yeah, you had a great Christmas yesterday. So we are looking very good on on my account, to be honest. We had two TP1s hit this morning. Didn't share any trades, and we'll do that on the live stream if I see great opportunities. So, and for everyone new, the trades labeled in green are the trades which I'm in a buy position. The trade labeled in red, that means I'm already in a sell position in them. So let's go over our my past trades and see how the price is doing. So for USD I entered that on Thursday. We did hit TP1. We moved the stop loss to the entry like always, and we are in good profits. For AUD NZD, I believe we already touched the entry. Let me see. We already time. For AUD NZD, if you can see it here, we already touched the break-even point. So we'll be deleting this trade right here. For EURUSD, we are also looking good. EURUCAD also touched the let me check. EURUCAD, yes, we touched the break-even point, so we're gonna delete this one. And for the EURUJPY, we touched TP1. I moved the stop loss to the entry, and now we are running in good profits. For the EURUSD, hope we head to the TP3 before the New Year's, but we will see. GBPCAD also still ranging in this range for I think a whole week. GBPJPY touch TP1, move the stop loss to the entry, and we are looking good. For the GBPJPY and EURUJPY, we had a little bit of drawdown for I think 1 day, then we immediately reversed and we are now in profits. For the NZD-CAD, the trade that I told you it would be a long trade, not in a buy position, I mean in time. So looking good. Gonna hold this one until I believe we touch TP3. GPB, for the NZD-JPY also looking great. And for gold, I think we are not in a trade on gold. So I will check if I can trade or find on opportunities this morning. Hello, Guri. No, I just started the live stream. How are you, brother? So Great. Have you traded this morning or not yet? No. This was not. No. I was only showing. Yeah, that we hit EURUCAD, break even, and USDJPY. So great on gold. If you catch 80 pips, that it means that you catch 80 pips on gold, because I don't see many pairs that have moved that much. Any questions, everyone, just ask. Make sure to subscribe and like the live stream. Great. So may I know, how did you catch 80 pips on gold? Because yeah, since the start of the day, I don't see any entry, to be honest, any good entry in my opinion. But based on your strategy, yeah, you could catch 80 pips. So let's go and see if we can get some trades this morning. And yeah, Christmas was yesterday. Today the volume will not be that great, but yeah, like everyone, yeah, even on December when no one make money, I do. So for the CAD GPY, the GPY trades have already moved, and like you already know, I only trade retests. So yeah, already moved. No trade for this one. Markets, this EURUCAD is ranging too much. Yeah, maybe we'll think about entering a sale here after a retest. EURUCHF, of course, no trades. EURUJPY, EURUSD. Sorry, I hate when I forget the brush. Yeah. GBPUSD, I believe also no trades. GBPCAD, of course, no trade. GBPCHF will not trade that. GBPJPY we already in. GBPNZD, I think we had here a bullish engulfing this one. This was at 8 hours ago, I believe. Yeah, it was a great trade, to be honest. Yeah, we missed it because I was sleeping. We will not catch every move in the market, so yeah, no problems. DGPY and USD also. I think I will concentrate on gold this morning, maybe silver also, because I don't see any trades, to be honest. Even gold, since the opening of the market, has had a great push to the upside, but now it's bit ranging. Let me see if we can catch for oil also. Let me quickly delete this. Will be a great trade on oil, to be honest, because price is is refusing to go beyond this level right here. So a great trade on oil will be this, I believe. This is a great trade. So above this high for the stop loss and targeting these lows right here, or these lows on oil. Yeah, but we go to gold and see what gold is looking like. So we have this level right here and small level here, but price didn't respect it here. Maybe this level will be great. Gold still looking good, to be honest. Let me see if we go in right here. Yeah, looking good, to be honest. What do you think? Should we go in a trade on gold? Because I strongly believe that gold will continue going up. I think this is a good entry. Let me enter, and please do not copy trade me. So 45, let me see my entry. I think 45.11 was my entry. 45.11, 45.14, 45.21, and 45.31, and 45.04. My entry was here. This is the take profit. This will be the stop loss. Yeah, a bit tight, but yeah, no problem. 04, 14, 04, 21. Maybe we catch a great trade on gold this morning, don't know. 31. This was a quick execution on gold. Let me get these guys. So yeah, so 14, this is TP1, and yeah, these are the trade on gold. Let me remove commissions and also remove. So 11, TP2 would be 21. Let's see if we catch a great trade on gold. And everyone, please let me know if you have any questions. 31, and this is TP3. Let me see if everything looks good on below RPM. Yeah, you can have your questions. So today is last trading day. How many pips this week now so far? Yeah, let's go and count them together. Let me quickly get the Telegram. Give me a second so we don't show people informations, because this is prohibited here. So yeah, so let me quickly take a look on gold. So when we started this week, we started on the 22nd, yeah, 22nd. Yeah, let's count together. 30 plus 100, these guys, plus 30 plus 100 plus 200, these guys here. 1 2 3 4 stop loss hit. That mean, and I count a stop loss hit 70 pips times 3, because we always open 3 positions. So we have 4 SLs, so minus 210, minus 210, minus 210, and minus 210. These 4 guys, plus 30 plus 30, that's 60. Minus 210 for the stop loss, plus 30, minus 210, plus 30, plus 30, plus 30, plus 100, plus 200, plus 30, plus 30, plus 100, plus 30, plus 100, plus 200, plus 30, plus 30 of this morning, today, and let's see, 230 pips so far this week. And don't forget that we have plenty of good positions open. So let's see if we can catch a good trade on gold. Who taught you to trade? No, not a mentor, to be honest. Any reason you don't like to send setups or trade during Asia session? Because the Asia session is dead for me, and it's not my trading style, to be honest. I've noticed a lot of GPY pairs move more in Asia than London, surprisingly. Yes, but for my kind of trades, I do swing trade, so my main concern is having a good entry and letting the price move whenever the price wants to move, you know. That's why. And also in the Asia session, because I have European time, so TP1 hit on gold. Yeah, let me quickly change my stop loss to the entry at 11. So, and for the Asian session, I have, like I said, European time, and it's time for me to rest at that time. That's why I don't trade the Asian session. What the fuck is this music? Yeah, not bad for last week of December, to be honest. Yeah, people make 200 pips per month. This is our our slowest week in December. I think we are up fat on December, I think. Yeah, let me quickly see. On December, yeah. Hello Rudy, how are you doing? Merry Christmas to you too. Let's hope we catch a full TP on gold this Friday, because it will be amazing. I am doing great, thank you. Didn't share anything yesterday on on the Telegram channel. I was relaxing. I think we will revisit this wicks here. I believe that. Make sure everyone to like the live stream, subscribe, and ask your questions. Also make sure to join the Telegram channel. It's the first link in the description. And yeah, I need to change my Instagram link on the description, because they deleted my Instagram, don't know why. Yeah, I created a new one. You can simply type Daxton Trades on Instagram. You will find me, and on TikTok I think it's the handle. It's Daxton Trades. Make sure to follow. I will be sharing a lot of videos on there too. Guri, did you catch this trade on gold? What are your plans for next year concerning Forex? Make money. These are my plans, to be honest. And yeah, I will be creating that Telegram channel for the challenges. Yeah, I will create it just after the stream. So I decided to do it, and yeah, you can everyone join. Okay, no problems. I took 30 pips and the stop loss is already at entry, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, the stop loss is already at entry. We'll ride this trend if gold continues to move. Yeah, we'll make sure to start doing videos like this, to be honest. Yeah, we'll be doing videos like this. This is only the start. The live streaming is only the start. And yeah, for you guys, I also, like I told you last time in previous live stream, I will be creating the challenge group. So it means that I will share trades with one or no TPs. That means with open TP or just one TP, these trades will be for people who want to pass their challenges, or for already funded people who want to make money. The access for the first 2 weeks will be free for the premium members, but after the first 2 weeks I will switch to I think 149 per month or something like that. And yeah, you can judge the results by yourself. Because on one account, I have one other account. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, I'm already up, I believe 7% or 6%. Let me see. I'm up 7% from my first trade was the 23rd. In the last 3 days, I'm up 7%. So if you can see here, this is a $200,000 account. I'm now sitting at 214. If you can see here, let me everyone let me know if you can see the stats, because I have the account on my phone, I don't have it on. Yeah, you can see here the 200,000 deposit, then 2% on gold, then 2 stop losses on EURUCAD and EURUJPY, if you can see it here, then a 3% on gold, if you can see here, 3% on gold, then 2% on AUD NZD. So that means I have 5% here already closed, and I have 2%, more than 2% still here. So like I told you, and the first trade, sorry, let me know if you can guys see this. The first trade was in the 23rd. Let me see if, yeah, do you see guys? The first trade was on 23rd, risking 1% per, yeah, per trade. So you can see the 2 stop losses, minus 2,000, minus 2,000. I'm risking 1% per trade and using only 1 TP. I still have now 2.5% open on EURUJPY. I'm targeting, let me see, I'm targeting 4% on this trade. So just wanted to, yeah, to show you that, yeah, you can make 7% in 3 days, no problem. Risking 1%. That's the main thing. So 23rd was Tuesday. So basically in 2 days, because yesterday was, yeah, holidays. So we'll be creating the group today, and yeah, we'll start sharing trades immediately. Whenever I spot an opportunity, I will be sharing, yeah, I will be sharing my trades that I will take on a funded account, because yeah, you can see, yeah, with your eyes, yeah, 7% in 3 days, no problems. Basically 2 days. Yeah, my strategy works. I know that my strategy works greatly. And only taking, let me see how many trades I took. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. And let me see if I can show you. Yeah, 6 trades. You can even make 20% in 3 days, 30% in 3 days, no problem. Why risking 1%? But you can have 3 days, 3 trades in 3 days, and no trades for the rest of the month. So we spot opportunities, we don't trade every day. And challenge account, I have one question. Can you tell me the trade you will share in which sessions? Yeah, so Guri, you know my strategy. I will be sharing trades whenever I see a great entry. So it doesn't matter if I see a great entry on Asian session. It doesn't matter if I see it on London, on New York. I don't care. The main thing is having a great entry to be able to ride the trend. And this is the beauty of this strategy that I will be doing. I will be sharing, I think, Yeah, depends on the week. So for example, this week I found 6 trades in 3 days, but maybe some weeks we will find 2 trades per week, you know. So you know that I'm living in Morocco and I have a GMT time. So we have time like London. So I basically wake up at 10 a.m. or 10:30 a.m. and yeah, start trading on the on 11 a.m. my time. So until midnight. So I will be doing alerts when the price get to my level that I want and I see a clear confirmation. I will go in trades. I'm also going to have a funded account with you guys. So I will simply trade with the funded account like you do and share everything on the Telegram. And for the last for the last trade that I have open in my challenge account, the EURUSD, the entry was, you can go check it. The entry was at 183.51. The stop loss is at 183.20, so 31 pips for stop loss, and the target is 184.70. Because I have nothing to lose, to be honest. Even if you take everything for me, I will be up in no time. Because when you master the trading skill, you depend on no one. No, frankly, no platforms, no audience, nothing. You can go dark, so no one knows you, and make money. Never show your face. Never do a group. Nothing. You can make a lot. But I want also to grow on the social media and to have a big trading brand like Alex G, TGR, and everyone. But I will be trading, not like them, showing Lambos and everything, and no trading, to be honest. Yeah, we'll do that in the future for sure. I will do a course, a free course on YouTube. I will do a paid course. I don't I don't know if I will do one-to-one mentorship or like a mastermind, when, for example, where we meet in the country in a great hotel. I'm thinking about doing a mastermind here in Morocco, because I have an hotel that I'm always in it. You can Google it. It's, let me show you. So I'm always on this one. So this is the best hotel in the world. Honestly, the best hotel in the world. So, and if you can see the prices, let me see. So let us book, for example, a week from the 26th until the 2nd. One adult, so, and let us do the USD. So, and let's get a villa, because I always take a villa. So if you can see here, so $27,000 per night. I'm thinking about doing a mastermind here. Do you guys see this? This is where I show almost every morning. This is where I have breakfast every morning. Yeah, but not in this villa, to be honest, because yeah, it's almost $30,000 per night. Now, if you see the summer, it will be, yeah, mental. I'm thinking about doing a mastermind here. When, for example, where we gather, for example, 3 of us, 10 of us, or 20 of us, and yeah, have straight 3 days or 4 days together trading and everything. Let me show you the summer. So 1 week in the summer, from the 1st of August until the 8th of August, and let me show you the prices. Is there any availability? I don't think so. The summer is always fully booked. No, let me try another week. No, let me refresh. In August, so, and let's do US dollar, and let's get a villa. So the 1,700 square meters is not available in the summer because they are fully booked. Let's change the dates. Yeah, one time in the summer I took, I think, 2 weeks for $98,000 or something like that. Let me see. Yeah, these are not available. Let's get 2 weeks. No, and you can see the hotel is amazing. It's the best hotel in the world. I stayed in the best hotels in the world, in Germany, in Dubai, in, yeah, but this one is on another level. This is the no, this is the hotel of the King of Morocco. So he has 5 hotels, I believe. There is one in Marrakesh, but it's not expensive as this one. Destinations. This one in Marrakesh, you get your own private riad. I think it costs $6,000 per night or something like that. But the best one is the one I'm also a member of their fitness. I think I paying 5,500 per year or something dollar, and I go to the gym there, to the spa, and also to, yeah. I think we are out from this trade. Not yet. Maybe we can have a better entry here down below if we get stopped out. Yeah, maybe right here. Let's see. But yeah, like I said, the challenge group will be created today, and yeah, the first 2 weeks will be free for premium members, and then yeah, we'll switch it to the paid, because yeah, when you pay for something, you you appreciate it and also you take it seriously. And yeah, and the mastermind on the hotel that I showed you will be great. We can take one villa or two villas and we can do a great mastermind there. You can see that also the Bugatti rally have came to the hotel. Let me show you. If I can. Also the CEO of Bugatti was there. Let me show you if I can find the video on YouTube. And give me a second. A mastermind there would be great, to be honest. Let me get the video to show you. It was at 2024, so we had 20 Bugattis come in, and yeah, it was great. And they stayed in that hotel too. They spent, I think, 15 days here or something like that. If you can see, this is from the official YouTube channel of Bugatti. This hotel is also good. It calls me Schlieffen, it also good, but yeah, it's like being on Gstaad, if you know it, on Switzerland, on St. Moritz. So if you see here in Morocco, we have everything. We have the desert, we have the sea, we have the snow, we have everything. So are we stopped out on this trade? Not yet. I believe we would be stopped out soon. Let me see. And let's get the music back. Yeah, you will not be you will not going to pay to be in there in the mastermind. Everyone pays a fee, and I get the hotel, I get everything. I would be the one who is going to book the hotel and the food, everything. You pay a fee, then you fly to here. I believe everyone can fly to Morocco without a visa, I think. Then we can have a mastermind in that villa that I showed you. So we are out. Let's see if we can catch a new trade on gold. Also, if you join the challenge group, I'm sure you will you will be able to afford going there. I'm 100% sure. So let's check what other pairs are doing, because all the forex pairs, I don't think we have an entry or any pair there. I think we are up a bit on the EURUSD on the prop firm account. Let me check silver, because I saw, let me see, this is a pullback in the middle of nowhere, so we would never be able to catch this pullback. Let's get back to gold and see. Your visa is making money. To be honest, everything gets easy when you start making money. So there is so many ways around visas and everything. Don't worry. You need to concentrate first on making money. I hope we get a great pullback on gold, because it seems like gold is continuing going down with the big candle. This is the biggest candle of, let me see, not the biggest candle of the day, but it's pretty big candle. So, and we are up today 2000, I believe. Let me see. Custom today is the 26th. Yeah, we are up to 2000. We had this break-even trades. We have TP1 and TP1 on the EURUSDJPY and GBPJPY. This is break-even. This is TP1, and this is break-even. There is some volume on gold, to be honest. This candle looks so good, but yeah, like always, we wait for this candle to close and see what will happen, because if you can see here, this is an indication of the price rejecting this level. This is an indication too. If you count these two candles together, this is a big engulfing candle that engulfs this one. This, if it stays like this candle, it's a strong indication also that the price don't want to get down to that level, but we wait. And for the EURUSDJPY, let me see the funded account. Yeah, if you can see here, let me show you, we are up 2.5% on the EURUSDJPY. So we are at 215, I think. Yeah, I think we are almost 8% on the funded account in 3 days. This is so, yeah, a big candle. If it closes like this, I will not enter, of course, because the stop loss will be so far. And also make sure to, for everyone watching, make sure to participate in the chat. Also let me know where you guys are watching from. Make sure to like the live stream and ask your questions, because your questions matters a lot. And are we still online? Because yeah. Do you have no questions, everyone? And did you guys found my new Instagram and my new, yeah, I think it's this one. It's Daxton Trades. I think it's this one. Yeah, this is my new Instagram. Just created it. We'll be sharing videos and everything. Make sure to follow on this one and on TikTok too. On it's Daxton Trades. I think it's this one. Yeah, the handle is correct. It's Daxton Trades, but yeah, we'll be sharing that in the upcoming videos. Hopefully the price revisit an area like here and we get an entry. So even if the price goes down to this area, I would be entering. Like here. And like always, the most important thing that you can do is wait. I hope that gold continue going down to have a great entry. So if it goes to 4, 5, 9 or 10, I will enter. Hopefully now we can catch full TP. Let's do 10. Something like this. I think Let's see. I think it will continue going up, to be honest. Let's wait for this candle. Hey Shane, how are you? I think you should be sleeping right now. So I think it's time to enter. And yeah, disclaimer, do not copy trade me. So my entry was at, let's say 10. Yeah. Let's see 10. It's 10 right now. Or 11, I will count it like 11. So 04, 14. The entry is at 11. This is the TP. This is the stop loss. And please do not copy trade me. This is for entertainment purposes only. So 04. Entry is at 11:21. And 31. Let's see. Thank you, bro. So let's get the TP1 is at 14. The TP2 is at 21. Make sure to watch the replay, Shane, because I've discussed many things concerning the challenge, Telegram group. Yeah, make sure to rewatch the live stream. Yeah, later. So I'm in. I think did we touch TP1? Yes. I will move the stop loss to the entry, of course, to be safe. Stop loss to the entry at 11. SL at 11. So let me add the text. SL at break even. I think I moved the stop loss to the entry. Yes, if you can see here, the stop loss is already at 11. Let's see if we can catch a good move. And who is online now watching, who is already watching the live stream, make sure to say me in the live chat to see if Guri is still live, Rudy from Lebanon is still live. Hello Raja, how are you? How are you doing with the trades? And have you catched something today? Guri is still here, so Yeah, we did catch a one trade on gold earlier. We touched the TP1. Then we moved the stop loss to the break even. We were stopped out. This is the second one. And yeah, Raja, have you started with us the live stream or just joined now? Because I think this is the slowest week of December. We are at 200 something pips this week. Because we counted this week pips live. You can go and rewatch the live stream if you want. EURUSD on my funded account is looking great. Let me see. Yeah, we are at 5,700, almost 3%. We are $300 away from 3%. I'm targeting 4%. And like I told you guys, I would be creating the challenge, the prop firm channel today. We'll be adding the premium members, and access will be free for 2 weeks to test it. Then access will be paid after that. And yeah, make sure everyone to subscribe, because I think 60 or 70% of the viewers are not subscribed. Let's see if we can break this mini level here. We will continue going up to the TP2. And also make sure to follow me on my new Instagram. It's this one. I just created it. Make sure everyone to follow. What do you mean, Shane? So the prop firm channel, that's why I told you to rewatch the replay. It will have the trades that someone will need to pass. One, pass prop firm challenge. Two, getting funded. And three, keeping your funded account, because this is the most important thing. It's keeping your funded account. The trades would be something like, because I'm already on a GPY trade, let me show you. So let me show you. So I started this prop firm on the 23rd. I'm up, sorry, what the fuck is this camera? Yeah, I'm up, let me see, I'm up almost 5% since the 23rd. You can see all the trades here. We have 2 stop losses minus 1%, because this is a $200,000 account, and we still have one open position, almost 3%. So I'm up $15,000 in 3 days. That depends on every trade. I don't know if it will be, yeah, that depends on every trade. Maybe we will trail the stop loss, maybe we will not. This will be actively managing trades. And yeah, we'll open that group for everyone in premium for 2 weeks, then switch to paid access. I think 150 per month will be fair, because you can make $9,000 in 3 days, I think. Let's see, almost 1 minute left for this candle to close. We see if we can continue going up. And will not be purely, the entries will not be purely based on the daily EMA, to be honest. The daily EMAs are the strongest ones, but yeah, you will see. So I will stay with you guys on this trade until either we get a full TP or get back to the entry. Then I will sign off and call it a week. This candle doesn't look that good, to be honest. Let's wait and see. And make sure to chat with me, so to stay active, to stay busy, because I get bored so easily. So it will be great to chat with you guys. Let's see if we can bounce off this small EMA that we have, the 1 minute. No, to be honest, I'm addicted to them and hope I quit. I'm doing it since 2017, I believe. But I heard there is something called laser therapy or something like that, that helps people quit that. Let's go. What do you mean by there's another Audi? Which Audi? The car? To be honest, I want an RS6 performance, but yeah, I think they are still pretty expensive, to be honest. Waiting for the price to get down a bit. and the depreciation on them is too much, not like a G-Wagon. A G-Wagon, you don't lose money on them. Now you never think about saving money. You should and must think about making more money. This is the correct mindset. The energy that you invest in thinking about how to save money, you should invest it in thinking about making more money. Yeah, the vapes are not expensive. It costs $20. $20 can't even get you what? So we are still in this trade. The open P&L, to be honest, looks great. Let's go check, or wait, seems gold will move. Let's move in. Yeah, we have this level right here. Let's see. What do you think, everyone, about this entry? I think it was great with absolutely zero drawdown. Here in Morocco, I think $20 fuel cost $1.20 here in Morocco. Hello CK, wie geht es dir? Also frohe Weihnachten. Let's see if we can break this level. This one we have here in front of us. Can't even draw. Here is 120. The diesel is, I think, $1. Gas is 120. That's why I moved here. Everything is so cheap. Quality of life is way higher. And yeah, if you were in the beginning of the live stream, I also showed you one hotel that I go to it too often. So that one is a bit expensive, to be honest. It costs $25,000 per night or something like that. But you will never find a hotel in the whole world like that, except in Morocco. That is the hotel that I keep sending you. Yeah, videos and picture from it. It's where I get my lunch. It's where I go to the gym. It's where I go to the spa also. So gold is now reacting to this level right here, to this one, if you can see by the millimeter. So let's see if it can break it and go above or go back to our break even, and yeah, call it a week. Yeah, you can find these prices here also, but it's not standard. Is high standing or ultra high standing. But you can get a good apartment, a good three bedroom apartment, not good, high standing apartment for 160 to 170,000. But there are other cities where you will need to pay 250 to 300. So that depends on which city you are in. So we are approaching TP2 hit. Great. TP2 hit. So let's see if we can continue going up. Did you guys catch this one? Forgot to update that in the group. Just wait, I will show you. Great. Let me show you where I want to get a house. I think it will cost 600 or something like that. It has good view. Let me see if I can show you the video. These guys are a bit expensive. I think it's 600,000 or something like that, but it's ultra high standing, so it's not the normal apartment. It's a smart home with everything, with the sea view and everything. And it's not a penthouse, it's I think a duplex, yes. I hope they show the view, because the view is amazing. But like you can see here, they actually know how to build apartments and everything. They also doing that in Dubai. Yeah, you can see the view. You have a sea view for 600,000, I think. Let me check. Yeah, I think it's 300 square meters or something like that. Something, yeah, with the pool in your apartment and everything. So I'm thinking about getting exactly that. This candle doesn't look good at all, but we will stay in the trade. And for us here, there is, I think, so for this exact penthouse, I will be paying $200 per year for taxes. So we don't have property taxes here. We only pay taxes when you sell a home in profits. I think we are paying 4%. So for every 100,000 you pay 4,000. If you make 100,000 in profits, you pay 4,000. That's why, like I told you everyone, that's why I moved away from Germany, because I think the quality of life here is so much better. If we can break this one, like I told, yeah, I'm telling you, we will continue to TP3, I believe, and have a full TP. Yeah, like I told everyone, I will be doing a mastermind where we will gather in this hotel. I will book 2 villas and do a mastermind there. This where I share, yeah, always my, yeah, when I go to the gym, when I go to the lunch, we'll take the 1,700 square meter villa. So USD, we will take this one for $27,000 per night. I will make sure to book this. yeah, see you in 2027, everyone in this villa. When we meet together, we will trade, we will, yeah, we will learn from each other and everything. So when you show something like this to someone who never came to Morocco, so they think we still ride camels here, but no. So we, like I told everyone, in the future we will do a mastermind in this villa. So I will book this villa. I think I will book two or one, depends, and we'll be doing a mastermind here. So you can see here the description. It's 1,700 square meters, has 3 bedrooms. You have a private beach access, yeah, and everything. You have a game area, yeah. They don't have so many pictures, so yes, in the future I will make sure to do a mastermind where, so it's not a course, it's not, you can see here the nature and everything. It's not a course, it's a way of gathering together and, yeah, trade and, yeah, exchange ideas and everything. Yeah, of course, everyone can join. I don't know, to be honest, but it will not be $27,000 per night. So never did a mastermind, so I will need to come up with something that will be beneficial to you and also, yeah, to every one of us. Also, CK, make sure to, yeah, to rewatch the live stream. And yeah, because I will be creating today a Telegram group where be doing I will be sharing the trades I take for example, for prop firm. Yeah, make sure to rewatch the live stream, today's live streams from the beginning. Yeah, because I started an account, a 200,000 account on the 23rd, and let me see, I'm up 8% now in 2 days. So I think you will like it. The first 2 weeks will be free for premium members, then I will do 150 per month. So you can get a funded account, not funded, a challenge account. Try it for 2 weeks. If you pass your challenge and get funded, you can pay afterwards. When do you plan this mastermind event? I don't know, to be honest. Now I'm fully focused on growing organically on YouTube, on Instagram, and on TikTok. Also, they deleted my old Instagram. I created this new one, Daxton Trades. Make sure to go and give me a follow. And also on TikTok, you can type, yeah, it's Daxton Trades on TikTok. Yeah, I have 200,000. I think it was Funded Next or something like that. Funded Next, I believe. Let me see. Funded Next, yes. But I found, yeah, that there are better companies than them, so I would be sharing them with you guys. With way better price. For example, there is a company, they you pay, for example, for 200K account, you pay $200 and you only pay the rest when you pass the challenge. For example, you get a 200,000 challenge, you pass it, you pay $200 in front, you pass it. After you pass it, if you make money, you can pay your challenge from the money you made. You know what I mean? This candle doesn't look good either, but like, you know, I always stick to the plan. I don't know the exact name. No, not Funded Next. I would be sharing it with you guys in the group, the new group that I will create. So, and I will be, no, it's like, it's hype or something like that. I don't remember, to be honest. I will make sure to contact them to do us a deal or something like that. At least we can have a 20% coupon or something like this. But first thing, I will make sure to create the prop Telegram group today. And for premium members, just send me yeah, a message or something to add you. Yeah, we'll do that for 2 weeks, then we'll create a new one and continue working on it. Yeah, you will need to play with magic numbers on the auto trader. So yeah, it's possible. I don't know if they have no problem using copy trader, but you need to play with the magic numbers if you, yeah, if you understand what magic numbers are. Because yeah, if you don't know, you can simply go out from the trade or use a different TP, 1 pip, 2 pips away or something like that. There is ways or around. But for another prop firm, of course, you can use the auto trader as long as we are not trading all of us trading on it on the same prop firm, because the risk department will be flagging us unless we use magic numbers, for example, in auto traders or tweak the TPs levels. Yeah, we can do that also. So 40 minutes left for the New York session to start. I hope we get TP3 hit before that. To be honest, I don't like this candle right here. It shows some strong push to the downside. Yeah, we did that yesterday 2 times. So we will need to wait and see. You can always, yeah, go out if you want. But yeah, for me, I will stay. GBPJPY looks good. Silver is going down. I'm starting to have some hunger, everyone. So I will stay in this one, but I will sign off, and yeah, we will meet Monday. I will create the prop telegram today and let you know, everyone. So make sure to join. Also make sure to like the live stream. For everyone who didn't start the live stream from the beginning, make sure to watch the replays. There are important things that you want to see there. And yeah, let's meet Monday. Thank you so much for being with me today.